Hiya and welcome to itsycrafty and my unboxing of the latest Planners Anonymous kit. And this kit is called Sakura. This is part of the monthly kit. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The add-on sticker kit. Oh my goodness, the paper pack that's part of the monthly kit. So these two pieces here make up the standard monthly subscription kit, and here we have the add-on paper pack. Oh my goodness, I know I'm going to totally love everything here. I'll unbox the add-on sticker kit and paper pack at the end of the video, and first of all we'll start with looking at these items. Starting with the paper that's in the monthly kit for Sakura. Oh my goodness, it is so much prettier than I even imagined from the photos. This paper is absolutely divine. And on the reverse side of it, there's this pink watercolor. So 2 pieces of this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then we've got this pattern here with the pinks and the purples, and on the back of that, so 2 pieces of this, and then this gorgeous dark paper with the pink Sakura, and another gorgeous, gorgeous pink on the reverse of that. Oh my goodness. Here you can see the 6 papers, and I'm just blown away by them. They are stunning. And then we've got vellum. So this is the slightly translucent paper, and it has that beautiful flower on it. And the acetate, sorry about the glare, it's a gold foil, and it just has this beautiful outline of a flower all over it. I'm loving it all. These are all of the other items in the monthly kit, and I have to look at this pen. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. Lovely pink crystals in the barrel and just gold hardware all over it with the Planners Anonymous etched on here. And that's a ballpoint pen as per usual, a black ballpoint. So pretty. The quote cards have this as a backing, and then we've got Know Your Worth, Blossom in Your Own Time, Bloom Through Adversity, Celebrate Your Beauty, You're a Beautiful Work of Art, and Beautiful Not Broken. 6 wonderful quotes. I just realised we hadn't looked at the girl for the kit. So here she is here. I am gentle but strong, not broken, but beautiful, and I will live life one moment at a time. Sakura. It's just gorgeous. And on the back of there, there's a list of all of the items included in the kit. I got so excited to rip in and look at the pen that I forgot about her completely. So here she is here, and she's stunning. And this is the 4x6 inch stamp set that comes with the kit. So we have a stamp of Sakura the girl there. We have this gorgeous, gorgeous kitten. Lots of flowers. Oh, more kittens. Oh, it's really, really lovely. Hopefully you can see all of the stamps there. There's a really good selection of decorative items there. And then we've got the 5x7 inch art card. This is a thicker card and totally stunning. Sometimes life can be fragile. We can fall and be broken down, but come back more beautiful. And it's just gorgeous. And then a whole bunch of die cuts. We have the girl. Oh, cute little grey kitties. Lots of Sakura flowers, as you'd expect. Candle. Oh, that's nice, the pen mug. Bow, the lantern. The kitties have little blue eyes. Some big stationery items there. So, so gorgeous. I love this with the origami crane in the middle of it. And more cranes. A wax stamp. A seal, I think it's called, rather than a stamp. And more, lots of flowers. Bows and petals. Little petals and little hearts. And this, absolutely love it. And here are all of the die cuts laid out. They're so pretty and delicate, and I just love all of them. Love the addition of a cat this month. The mystery item, or the changing item for the month, is a gorgeous pouch. It's a lilac-y, a light purple colour, and it's lovely and soft inside. These are really handy, and they fit in the strings of a B6 traveller's notebook or a melody planner, which is where this will be going. And these are the stickers that come in the standard monthly kit. Just gorgeous. Loving this. You can see some of the images there are the same as the die cuts that we've just looked at. A page of flowers, which are really, really handy. They look gorgeous sort of all over a spread. And then we've got a more functional page. It's changed from past kits, and on first sight I'm loving it. We've got little checklists and flags, my favourite sticky notes. Really liking this and loving the patterns on here. Gorgeous. And then we've got a month of date dots and weekly headers. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous planner there. And a sneak peek for next month, which is fierce. A total of 4 sticker sheets in the standard kit. And then we have 3 gorgeous, gorgeous, stunning rolls of washi with a gold foil on them. I'll just unwrap these and we'll have a look at them. I've rolled the washi out here, and hopefully you can see how long the length of washi is before the pattern actually repeats. That's one of the things I really love about Planners Anonymous washi. The 5mm washi is at the bottom there. It's this gorgeous pink with gold foil. And then the 15mm washi has the lanterns and flowers with lots of gold foil detailing. And that wider washi, it's about a 22mm, and it has these gorgeous, gorgeous cats in it, the pink flowers and gold foiling. Look at that sleeping one. Absolutely love it. This is the add-on paper pack, so you can add extra paper on every month to your kit. This one here with the origami cranes is just stunning, and every crane looks different. And on the reverse of that, we have this dark watercolor. Ah, kitties! This is gorgeous. All those kitties with their lovely blue eyes. And on the reverse of that, we have the grey watercolor. And then the lanterns with all of their little lights on. And another stunning pink watercolor in there. And then also an additional piece of the vellum and the acetate. These are the patterns in the add-on paper pack, and I recommend adding on the paper pack to the kit. It's awesome value, and it's just really extends the life of the kit, having all these additional pieces of pattern paper, and I just love that the patterns and the watercolor backs of the patterns are different from the papers in the monthly subscription kit. This is the add-on sticker kit for Sakura, and I know I'm going to love it. Here we have the first page with all of the beautiful flowers. And then we've got another planner person here with lots of little stationery items, some postage looking stamps, perfectly imperfect. And then we have another planner person, celebrate your beauty, lots of origami cranes, a bag, some bonsai. And a fourth planner person with a little kitty, and lots of kitty stamps here, and know your worth with pretty pink bows. And an entire page of Sakura blossoms and petals, which is fantastic. Can't get enough of these. Oh, I just love it. Love, love, love it. So this is like the die cut, and we have some more Sakura. And then here we have some full boxes and a double box, but the double box is cut to be 2 full boxes. Just loving it. That's like the art card. Oh, so pretty. And another page with full boxes and part boxes. These are really awesome little hearts, which are fantastic just for noting down different things in your planner. And then all of these words, love them. And some planners here, which are also great for noting little things in, and then the bigger sort of almost full box size. Loving this page. My favorite little sticky notes. We've got some date squares and then a whole heap of little flags and dots in 5 different watercolor colors. Absolutely loving these. They're functional, useful, and pretty. Oh, and this is awesome. Loving this. We've got more hearts up here, and then we've got weekly trackers. So there's a smaller one, and then we've got bigger ones here for each day. So heaps and heaps of weekly trackers. And then the functional page in each colour. So we've got the date headers, we've got some little short checklists, flags, splashes, part boxes. Really functional. Really pretty pink. Love it. And there's the next colour. The next colour. And the 4th colour. And then 2 pages of minis, the minis that go along with the kit girls. So for example, there's the main girl with her hair off to the side, and then there's her little matching mini, and there's the girl holding the kitty. So all of the matching minis and these cute little peeking ones, which are awesome to use. And then the side peeking ones, some more top peeking and functional. Love it. Love, love, love it. It's a total of 18 sticker sheets in the sticker pack, and they truly are gorgeous. The colour palette and the artwork is totally up my alley. Loving it. Thanks so much for watching my unboxing of the Sakura kit by Planners Anonymous. I unboxed the standard monthly kit, the add-on sticker pack and the add-on paper pack, and all of it is totally gorgeous and will be so nice to create with. If you're interested in Planners Anonymous, do check out their socials, and if you'd like to subscribe, please use my code itsycrafty and you'll save 10% off your first month's subscription. The kit for February is called Fierce, and you can see previews of that kit if you check out at Planners Anon. It is totally different from this kit, and that's one of the things I love about Planners Anonymous, that each month it's just a totally different theme and colour scheme. I've really enjoyed unboxing this. I'm looking forward to creating with it, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!